Hey! In front of me is XIAOMI 12T, and today I would like to show you how you can block app notifications from apps of your choosing on this device. First of all, go into Settings. Now scroll down just a bit and tap on Notifications and Control Center. Over here you need to tap on App Notifications and then click on the sorter next to an app from which you don't want to receive them. In my case, Send Anywhere. Sorry, misclick. As you can see, after that, all notifications from this app are off, but you can always turn them back on by tapping on the same sorter. If you wish to, you can always click on one of your apps over here instead and manage all notifications from here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!